Digital multimeters are essential tools for electricians, engineers, and DIY enthusiasts to measure voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, and more with high accuracy. Modern models now include true RMS technology, auto-ranging, NCV detection, and even oscilloscope and signal generator functions. Whether for home repairs, automotive diagnostics, or industrial testing, these smart meters deliver precision, safety, and reliable performance. Number 5. The MASTFUYI digital multimeter supports an extra-large measurement range up to 2000 V and 20A, making it suitable for high-power electrical and photovoltaic systems. It features true RMS accuracy and multifunctional testing capabilities for voltage, current, resistance, and continuity. Designed for industrial and solar applications, it delivers reliable performance under demanding conditions. Its robust design ensures durability and safe operation in professional environments. Number 4. The BSIDE Digital Multimeter Series, S10, S11, S20, features smart measurement functions including AC/DC voltage, resistance, capacitance, frequency, hertz, NCV detection, and EMF testing. With intelligent auto-ranging and a user-friendly interface, it simplifies electrical diagnostics. Designed for both professionals and beginners, it provides safe and efficient measurement capabilities. Its compact design makes it ideal for portable electrical troubleshooting and home use. Number 3. The ANENG 870 offers a high-precision 19,999 count display with true RMS technology for accurate AC/DC measurement. It supports voltage, current, resistance, diode testing, and capacitance measurement. Designed for professional electrical work, it ensures reliable performance and stable readings. Its durable build and advanced functionality make it suitable for industrial maintenance, repair work, and advanced DIY electronics projects requiring precision testing. Number 2. The ZOYI ZT703S is a multifunctional 3-in-1 device combining a digital oscilloscope, multimeter, and signal generator. With a 50 MHz bandwidth and dual-channel support, it is ideal for advanced electronics diagnostics and automotive repair. Its handheld design improves portability while maintaining professional-level accuracy. Suitable for engineers and technicians, it provides comprehensive testing capabilities for complex electronic circuits and signal analysis. Number 1. Profesional 9999 Count Smart Digital Multimeter. This professional digital multimeter features a 9,999 count display with true RMS measurement for accurate AC/DC voltage and current readings. It supports capacitance, temperature, resistance, and continuity testing with auto-ranging functionality for ease of use. Designed for electricians and technicians, it provides stable performance and high accuracy. Its compact and durable design makes it suitable for both profession. These advanced digital multimeters and testing tools offer high accuracy, multifunction capabilities, and professional-grade performance. They are ideal for electricians, engineers, automotive repair, and electronics work. Whether for home use or industrial applications, these devices provide safe and precise electrical diagnostics.